Join discord.gg/flat earth and enter a VC check-in room and someone will come along to VC verify you to get involved with the conversation about our Earth. Now we have time for a meeting with the real flat earthers.
For just a moment. Donald, I'd like to introduce you to somebody that is a person that comes often here to this channel. His name is Quantum Eraser. So we're all gonna step back. Everybody in this channel is you're gonna have only the one-on-one. Talk to him about Flat Earth and see how that goes. I'm gonna take a step back. I'm gonna mute my microphone. No one else is gonna interrupt. Thank you.
Damn, I just walked in. What do you want me to do? What's the?
You're on the clock, sir.
Jesus. All right.
You'll know what to do pretty quick.
My name's Donald. It's nice to meet you.
My name's Quantum Eraser. It actually isn't. It's John.
John, nice to meet you.
All right.
So,
Have a great evening.
Have a good one.
All right. Subject matter is the Earth a globe? Donald, go ahead and present your information so that Quantum can actually hear where your stance is and your position, and then we can move forward from there.
It's pretty simple. The only shaped object that can possibly possess a horizon is a curved object. You guys were playing it just a second ago. It's my favorite one.
Is a curved object. You got proof of that?
Yeah, it's called geometry. You guys were just playing it.
It's called geometry. You got big problems with geometry with your globe there, friend.
Not a single problem.
Not a single problem. Let's talk about elevation angles.
All right.
That's geometry. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So with celestial navigation, not only with celestial navigation, a lot of people take elevation angles. We're going to couch it with celestial navigation. In order to successfully navigate the Earth, and this has been going on for a couple hundred years, and the classes are still ongoing in the Navy and the Air Force with celestial navigation. We didn't do too much in the Army. We didn't need that nonsense. But the classes are still going on, and we're going to keep it within celestial navigation. So do you know what a sextant is?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So a sextant is an elevation angle measuring device. Correct?
It's an angle measuring device.
No, it's an elevation angle. Well, it can be, but in this particular case, it's an elevation angle measuring device. Correct?
It cannot measure the elevation of a star.
What?
It cannot measure the elevation of a star.
We're not measuring the elevation of stars.
Well, you're talking about celestial navigation.
Yeah, we're not measuring elevation of the stars. We're trying to find our position. It has nothing to do with the elevation. You don't.
I agree, because the second cannot measure elevation. Huh?
See, the stupidest. Are you retarded?
Well, it can't measure the elevation of stars. That's what it sounded like you said.
I said elevation angle. Do you know what an elevation angle is, sir?
Okay, so you're just talking about from the observer to the horizon.
Oh, my God.
So what are you talking about then?
Elevation angles. It takes an elevation angle between you, the horizon, and the star. It's an elevation angle.
It's an azimuth angle.
Oh, my God. Define an elevation angle for me, please.
I've never heard that used.
With citation. Of course you don't.
I've never heard that used. So I can't give you a citation. Yeah.
Really? Okay. Well, let's see. From radartutorial.eu. And it's 52 minutes after the hour. Are you in live stream voice text?
Me?
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah.
You never heard elevation angle. Okay. Is the angle between, you see this horizontal plane bit? And the line of sight measured in the vertical plane.
Line of sight to what?
To the star.
You can't measure the elevation of a star with a sextant.
We're not measuring elevation. We don't give a fuck on how high the star is. We want to know where we're at. Holy shit.
Angle, that's an azimuth angle. Okay, sure. You can call it an angle of elevation. I know what you're talking about now. You're just using a proprietary definition, that's all.
You're fucking retarded.
All right, we can call it an elevation angle. Let's go.
You're retarded, man. So, okay.
But that says angle of elevation, not elevation angle, just so you know.
Let's get it over quick. So, in order to get an elevation angle, right?
Angle of
You need
elevation.
you need a triangle, right? A
No, you
triangle-
don't.
You don't need a triangle for an elevation angle.
Because that's just one angle. A triangle is 3 angles.
Oh my God, he's a retard.
Wow. So insults. You know that. when I do
No,
insults,
that's not an insult.
It
that
is.
is an
if you had said that I was.
That's called an assessment because you don't know your ass from a pipe wrench, son. An elevation angle is a fucking right angle triangle. Did you know that? Obviously you didn't because you're fucking clueless. I mean, I don't know what to do. Maggie, what do you want me to do here?
Shit, I thought this was gonna last longer, dude. I was eating. I wanted dinner in the show. What the fuck? Donald's super disappointed.
Here you
Yeah,
go.
well-
Here you go. Oh, hold on. From Q Math, the angle of elevation there, Donald. Do you see what's in front of you?
He said elevation angle, not angle of elevation. Those are 2 very different things.
Oh, you really?
But
Citation.
nonetheless, if you
Citation.
assholes mute me again, I'm just
Citation,
gonna leave.
please. Citation, please. We want you to show the difference between the angle of elevation and an elevation angle. Please. Floor is yours. Go fucking do it right now. Citation.
You guys have a wonderful evening.
Fuck
I don't like
off.
to be muted in the
You're
middle
a
of my
clown.
sentence.
You should be muted the rest of your life.
Well, mute yourself.
Make yourself. Someone
Yeah,
with
that's-
pussy pants.
That's about the
Thank you, sir.
citation I expected from him.
Donald, stay focused. Elevation angles.
Let's get a citation. He says, "You guys have a wonderful night."
TOS, go ahead and clip it right here.
Spartans! What is your profession?
See, old friend, I brought more soldiers than you did.